Hello, can we exchange some information about the specification of the Samsung T9 Portable SSD?
Yes, of course.
What is the brand name of this SSD?
Its brand name is Samsung.
Ready?
How much data can it hold?
It can hold 500 gigabytes. What is its data transfer rate?
It's 540 megabytes per second. It is an internal or external SSD.
It is an external SSD. How much does it weigh?
It weighs 0.1 pounds. What color is the SSD?
It is blue. Does it have any special features?
Yes, it is portable, fast, and secure.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.